How to take column slices of Dataframe in Pandas. I load some machine learning data from a CSV file. The first two columns are observations and the remaining columns are features. Currently, I do the following, which gives something like, I'd like to slice this data frame in two data frames, one containing the columns A and B and one containing the columns C, D and E. It is not possible to write something like, I'm not sure what the best method is. Do I need a pd.panel? By the way, I find Dataframe indexing pretty inconsistent. Data A is permitted, but data 0 is not. On the other side, data A column is not permitted but data 0 column is. Is there a practical reason for this? This is really confusing if columns are indexed by int, given that data 0 not equal data 0 column 1.
(2017) Answer: Pandas 0.209 is deprecated. Use lock. See the deprecation in the docs. .lock uses label-based indexing to select both rows and columns. The labels being the values of the index or the columns. Slicing with .lock includes the last element. Let's assume we have a data frame with the following columns: foo, bar, xant, cat, sat, dat. .lock accepts the same slice notation that Python lists do for both row and columns. Slice notation being start column stop column step. You can slice by rows and columns. For instance, if you have 5 rows with labels V, W, X, Y, Z.
Note: .9 has been deprecated since Pandas v0.20. You should instead use .lock or .illic, as appropriate. The Dataframe 9 index is what you want to be accessing. It's a little confusing. I agree that Pandas indexing is perplexing at times, but the following seems to do what you want. Where 9 row slice, column slice, is what is being interpreted. More on Pandas indexing here, this URL. Let's use the Titanic dataset from the Seaborn package as an example. Using the column names. Using the column indices. Using 9, older than Pandas less than 20 version. Or using the reindex method.
Also, given a data frame, data. As in your example, if you would like to extract column A and D only, ei the first and the fourth column, illic method from the Pandas data frame is what you need and could be used very effectively. All you need to know is the index of the columns you would like to extract. For example, we'll give you
You can slice along the columns of a data frame by referring to the names of each column in a list, like so.
you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.